Hey, good afternoon people. Yeah, I'm here at this good old days kopitiam to actually try this famous nasi lemak, pork nasi lemak. So let's again see what is available, right? I'm excited to see what kind of pork nasi lemak is here. The viral pork nasi lemak the other day. That is Atria. Okay, so you just walk right across, you will find this kopitiam here. There's a lot of other food available lah. So we got seafood restaurant here. Okay, so this is the place. They are open today. This is the menu. Of course, I'm gonna get this nasi lemak babi lah.
Fried chicken.
So this one is a pork, right?
Yeah,
pork barual. Okay, then one the egg, egg and cabbage lah.
28.
Only pork barual ni the rest all others is all mutton, chicken all lah.
Mutton is barual.
Oh, okay lah. Only one pork only.
Yeah, one.
Oh, okay. Just give me a little bit more lah. The pork.
Right?
And the curry you have fish.
Yeah, fish curry, chicken
fish.
curry, kurma.
Just fish plus korma will do. Okay. No, no. Just fish and korma. Okay. How much is this?
20.
Okay. Okay, yep. Okay, so I came here for the nasi lemak. Unfortunately, nasi lemak don't have. Well, since I already here, just take plain rice bowl. So I got like a whole plate here. They only have those, the pork is only the pork baruwa lah. So I took more of it. And you can actually make some of the gravies. I took korma and fish. You can have mutton, chicken, anything. So this is how the pork, this is the famous pork baruwa that I actually came here to try lah. Unfortunately no nasi lemak, but let's try the pork baruwa. Okay. Tastes a little bit like chicken. I don't know, maybe my taste bud, but tastes a little bit like chicken. If you didn't tell me it's pork, I might have mistaken it for chicken. Overall, okay, the spices are there. Korma and fish, okay, good combination. Korma enough. Overall, not bad lah. Can come and try. I don't know. I think you want to come, you better come early lah. Because come late like me, nasi lemak also habis. That's it. See you.